Guys, my name is Punchboy. Welcome back to another video. And Jonathan, what are we doing?
Bird hunting.
Yeah.
I mean, we're not actually going to kill the birds. We're not actually going to hit the birds.
Well, you might on accident.
It's not our fault.
Here, I'm going to go and give a head start.
What?
Die, birds! No, I'm going to give a bird a warning.
Okay, hold on.
Die, bird!
Listen to me. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to go behind that tree over there.
Okay, yeah.
We're going to hide. We're going to wait for a bird. This is a really popular area for birds.
Oh, yeah.
There's a ton down there, too.
Oh,
We might end up going down there. Alright, so come on this way. Follow me. Follow me. Please get on. Alright. Stay here. Stop. Be very, very.
I think I'm going to talk in a British accent, mate.
That's not good.
I don't get a crop. It's a very dangerous predator. Can you go see the band?
It is the very delicious redback.
It looks like a robber, mate.
You're gonna be what's for dinner if you don't be quiet.
Sorry, mate. You blew the cover, mate. Fuck this.
Alright.
Hey, birds! My friend's gonna kill you! Stop, birds! Stupid birds! My friend's gonna...
I told him this like 5 times already. If he don't listen to me, he's getting shot. Alright, now follow me.
Stop the birds!
One more time, you're getting shot.
Stupid.
Alright, follow. This is a very popular bird spot too.
No, 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 no. Parkour!
Is the video still recording?
Yes. I see.
I see a couple darts, 100 yards out. I'm gonna go get those later. I think those are explosives.
There's a nail. There's a nail. There's a nail right here.
That's not a bird.
Yes, 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 there's a bird. Guys, there's a bird right here. Guys, there's a bird. Jonathan's out. It's not a bird. It's a nail.
Yeah,
You suck at this job. Oh no, man, you're awesome. You're the best, man. You're a professional wrestler. Bird hunter. Oh, look, a car! This guy's stupid. This guy's so stupid. This guy's the dumbest person in the world. You're stupid. Stupid. This guy's stupid. This guy sucks. It's like a 4-year-old. None.
I'm watching this video.
I didn't say nothing. Oh, guys, just so you know, if the video just randomly cuts out and stuff, it's, I don't know why, but you're going to be expecting that in the...
Shout out to my YouTube video channel, Dread Sky, Dread Space Sky. Okay, it's the top on the list. It's a radioactive symbol, green. I might change it today, I don't know.
Yeah, you might change it.
It's not very good.
If you search it...
Alright, I'm gonna be quiet. There's darts behind.
I don't see no bird. Why are we hunting darts? Then why you already have darts, you stupid head. God dang, this guy sucks.
12 o'clock. 12 o'clock.
It's not 12 o'clock. It's not 12 o'clock. It's 4:41.
No, it's 12 o'clock. Do you not know these?
Dude, it's 4:41.
Alright, so
It's 4:41.
listen, when I say 12 o'clock, it means right where I'm facing. That means 12 o'clock. If I say 6 o'clock, I mean behind where I'm facing.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Just tell me to go 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. 12 o'clock. That was 6 o'clock. You turned around.
No. Didn't.
Stupid.
That wasn't like that.
Stupid.
No. Alright.
12 o'clock.
So let's
6 o'clock. 8 o'clock. You're just saying random numbers.
8 o'clock is that what? Alright,
I was thinking of 8 o'clock over there. Ow, crap.
Oh, there's cows. Alright, the
Put myself
cows.
on a brace.
There's a bird on the fence, but listen.